connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro to a Samsung phone, all you need to do is simply just start by opening up the case like so. And then on the back of the case, you want to press on the pairing button so that the buds can enter pairing mode. So go ahead and just press on the button. The indicator light should start flickering, letting you know that it's in pairing mode. And you should see your buds should automatically be detected. So go ahead and just tap on connect to start the connection process. And once they've been connected successfully, you'll be prompted to agree to the permissions for the Galaxy Buds Pro. Go ahead and just agree to them. And once you've given the necessary permissions, now all you need to do is simply just go ahead and start using them. You can find the settings for your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro not in the wearables app, but in settings. So if you go ahead and open up settings, you should see your Buds 4 Pro. You can tap on them and customize the settings to your liking. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.